Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got something really different for you now. It seems one of our friends out there, or a couple of them, Ralph and Linda Smith, found a videotape buried in a barrel underneath their swing set in the backyard, and they think it might have some historical significance. So they sent it in to us and told us to try and research it and figure out where it came from. And we think it seems eerily familiar, and we just want you to see this amazing tape they found. Look at this.
I see why they threw it away. You know?
You got me, but baby, I got you.
How about that?
Oh, yeah.
You ever seen anything like that?
That dog did a good thing digging that thing up.
In the spring, I got you to wear my ring. And when I'm sad, you're a clown. Anybody's scared, you're always around. Rolling and sailing, you're gone. I don't care if you are wrong.
It's totally amazing.
Totally stupid. I mean, stupendous.
There ain't no hill or mountain we can climb, babe. I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got you, babe.
That's something else.
Uncovering another part of American history, the Rock-afire explosion. Thanks to Ralph and Linda Smith for sending in this incredible find, and we're going to hang on to it because it just might be worth some money.
And we'd like to thank their dog for digging it up for us. Thank you, Pee-wee.